Thank you. Hey, hello, and welcome to Anita Life. We are on day 82 of our 100 days to reclaim your health. And I've got a good one for you. Before I begin, remember to hit that like and subscribe so you can get notified when I drop another video with awesome content. But let's be honest, that's been happening every day for the last 82 days, and so we've got the next 18 days to go. I know it's been a while since I talked about MetaPower and the beauty of this system, but click the link in the description to join us for the 30-day MetaPower Challenge starting September 1st. And our Thursday class is still going strong, and I'd love to see you in there. The link to join is in the description with all the other links you need to get started to reclaiming your health, yeah? All right, so we're going to start with a prayer because I believe in prayer and bringing the Spirit in to know how to take care of this physical body that our Heavenly Father has given us. Our Father in heaven, we humbly bow our heads before Thee and thank Thee for this day and thank Thee for the opportunity we have to learn more about how to help our bodies to be healthy, to be strong, that we may serve Thee. We pray for the blessings of Thy Spirit to guide us to make right decisions in caring for our body and helping our families learn how to care also for their physical bodies. We ask that Thou wilt watch over us and keep us safe this day and help us to make wise decisions. And this we say in the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Whether in competitive arenas or a local CrossFit gym, activity is a cornerstone of health. As anyone who has ever donned workout shoes will tell you, athletic activity can tax your body and make it so sore. But the doTERRA Athletes Kit was designed with athletes in mind and is perfect for supporting healthy lifestyles from competitive to health-minded. The kit includes key products for those with an athletic lifestyle. I've got one right here. So I'm going to show you what's in here. It comes in this awesome little kit. And we've got 5 ml of Melaleuca or tea tree and a 5 ml of Breathe and a 5 ml of lavender. Can you see that? Lavender. And Pretend, a 5 ml of peppermint, and a 5 ml of On Guard, as well as 120 milliliters of the Deep Blue Rub. This stuff is like gold. And it all zips in. The inside, see, they all have little pockets to sit in. And it comes with a little trifold, a miniature trifold that teaches you all about how to use them. Super perfect gift for putting in your gym bag and using all day long. So, how handy is that? I love my kit. Okay, so I told you everything that's in there. It's a compact, reusable zippered pouch. With the Athletes Kit, you can enjoy implementing athleticism in your life. So before we dive into those specific essential oils within the kit, let's take a moment to appreciate that incredible value of the doTERRA Athletes Kit. Did you know it wholesales for $78? With its comprehensive selection of essential oils that are meticulously curated to support athletes in optimizing their training, enhancing their endurance, and nurturing their bodies naturally. Okay, now let's embark on a journey through the essential oils that comprise the doTERRA Athletes Kit, along with their distinct advantages. So first up is that peppermint oil, which is renowned for its invigorating aroma. Not only does it promote mental clarity and focus, but its cooling properties also offer a refreshing relief to fatigued muscles after intense workouts. And then we have Breathe. This dynamic blend featuring laurel leaf, peppermint, eucalyptus, tea tree, lemon, cardamom, ravintsara, and ravinsara. Ravintsara and ravinsara. doTERRA Breathe maintains feelings of a clear airways and easy breathing while minimizing the effects of seasonal threats. I really found this to be a great blend for opening airways for when I do CrossFit or my HIIT workouts. I'll just put it right here, tent shirt, and it's perfect. So it's perfect for those athletes who want to maximize their breathing efficiency during workouts. Now, up next, widely used for its calming and relaxing qualities, lavender helps reduce anxious feelings. This can be great before a hard workout or the night before a stressful race, because rest is so important for our athletic performance, so you don't want to neglect that area of training. And we talked about the Deep Blue Rub. This is amazing on sore muscles after a hard workout. It provides a comforting sensation of cooling and warmth to problem areas. The Deep Blue Rub is also the rub of choice for massage therapists and sports practitioners, including NCAA Division I sports teams. I love it after a tough workout when that DOMS hits the next few days. And then we've got tea tree oil, a versatile addition to the kit. Its purifying properties can be particularly beneficial for maintaining clear and healthy skin, which of course is vital for athletes who are engaging in those rigorous activities, specifically if you're rubbing your your face on a mat. And lastly, no one likes to get sick, and it's important to pay attention to our immune support we're going to talk about endurance athletes, because long distance training takes a toll on our immune system, so extra support can be the difference between getting sick or not. And doTERRA's On Guard is actually a blend of several different essential oils, which creates an effective alternative to those synthetic options for immune support. And taking this internally, it's awesome. So now that we've explored these remarkable oils, let's talk about how we athletes can integrate them into our routines for maximum benefits. Gear up your session by applying a drop of peppermint oil to your hands. Cover your nose and mouth and inhale deeply to heighten focus and prepare yourself mentally for the workout ahead. If you really want to boost, put one drop under your tongue. Let it ruminate there for a bit. Swallow it down. Yeah, you'll really feel that. Only doTERRA. Don't put any other essential oils in your mouth. They're not safe. doTERRA's is. Remember that grass, the supplements label. If you're training indoors, consider diffusing doTERRA Breathe to maintain optimal respiratory function. This blend can open your airways, really ensuring efficient oxygen intake. And after an intense workout, again, treat your muscles to some TLC with that Deep Blue Rub. Apply it to the areas that need attention and let its soothing touch work its magic. Now, for those who are a little more skin-conscious athletes, the tea tree oil can be your ally. Dilute a drop with a carrier oil and apply it to spots that are needing care, maintaining clear skin even during active days. And finally, apply doTERRA On Guard to the soles of your feet as a proactive measure to bolster your immune system. It's a small step that can make a really big difference. And that's it. The doTERRA Athletes Kit, a powerhouse collection of essential oils tailor-made for athletes and active individuals. These oils bring an array of benefits from focus and energy to recovery and overall well-being. So why not elevate your performance the natural way? If you're excited to explore the wonders of the doTERRA Athletes Kit, find the link in the description below. Hey, smash that like button. Subscribe to this channel for more wellness insights. And until next time, keep striving for greatness in your wellness lifestyle journey. See ya.